G Nursery class. Assalamu alaikum. Your teacher Faiza is here once again with you with your maths class, nursery class. Now I think you well known that first of all we open our book work. So kindly open nursery class page number 7575. I again repeat, please open page number 7575 nursery class. Okay. And after that we will do our classwork. So nursery class, you know what we do first? Write down the date on the top of the page. Today date is 8 dash 1 dash 2121. This is our new year nursery. Very good. And write down here nursery class work, because we are doing this in our class. So write down here class work. So they are saying write from 1 to 50. Okay, they are saying 1 to 50, they are not saying from 0 to 50. Okay, so they have limited boxes nursery class, so we will start our counting from 1. It's very simple. I think you do on every your homework copy the counting of 0 to 50. I think you do it in a very quick nursery. Please write 1 in the box. Okay, because they insisting us to write down the counting from 1 to 50. Can you see that? Fine. 1, 2. You really want that I write the whole counting in front of your nursery? Really? Teacher know how to write nursery. Okay, you write it by yourself on your book and I will write it on myself. Okay, I am not going to show the whole counting for you. It's 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and then what comes after 1? What comes after 9? G is 1 0 10. Okay, don't say ha in front of anyone. Always say G. Okay, nursery is 1 0 10. Now, what comes after 1 0 10? G. It's 1 1 11. Okay, now fill the line of 1 1 11 and then come to me. See nursery class, I have done the counting from 1 1 11 to 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, and then 2 0 20. Nursery class, kindly write down in a neat and clean way. Okay nursery class, now here write down 2 1 21. Please do the work neat and clean as the teacher is doing for you. Now fill this full line nursery class and then come to me. It's 2 to 22. Finish this line nursery class and then come to me quickly. Nursery class, see your teacher has filled this line from 2 1 22, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, and then 3 0 30. Now nursery class, can you tell me now which family comes? Yes, it's 3 1 31, then 3 2 32. Now nursery class, kindly fill this line and then come to me quickly. See nursery class, your teacher has filled the full line of 3 1 31 to 4 0 40, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39. Sorry nursery. And then 4040. Okay nursery class, after 4040 which family comes nursery class? Yes, it's 41 41. Okay nursery class, now you have to fill this line nursery class like 4 2 42. Let's do together, okay, because this is the last line. 4 4 44, 4 5 45. Can you see that I'm writing nursery? Write down in a neat and clean way. 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, and 5 0 50. Okay nursery class, see we have finished the page nicely. See the page is looking nice. Do the nice page like your teacher. Okay nursery class, now it's time to turn the page nursery class. I'm going to turn. Now it's the page number 7677. Okay, sorry, 7676. I said 76 77. Okay, wrong. Teacher is wrong. Now nursery class, what we are going to do? we have to do the matching, join the same numbers. It means that first we have to join number 1 line with number 2 and then number 2 with number 3. See, they also help us. How they help us? This is 1111 in number 1 line, and in number 2 line we have to find out where is 1111. Here is no. This is 1111. No. Oh my God, this is 1111. So nursery class, they put a dotted line over here to join 1111 with 1111. Next, in the number 3 line, we also have find out one and other 1111. Okay, 1 2 3, yani it means that we have 3 same numbers in 3 lines. Oh my God, it's very interesting. See, it's in the last number. Oh my God. Now nursery class, as I always said, use scales to draw the line. Don't make a dirty lines, okay? Bring scale nursery. Nursery class, I'm joining this dot as the book has given us. Join slowly so it looks beautiful, nursery. Okay, nursery class, join the other 11 dot. Ooh. Okay, done it. Now find out which is the next number. It's 1616. Okay, now in this line we have to find out another 1616. Okay, we have to find out this number. So this is 1616. No. This is 1616. No. This is 1616. No. Yes, here it is. This is 1616. Yes. Now nursery class, join this 1616 with this 1616. Okay, join and come to me. See nursery class, your teacher has joined 1616 with 1616. Okay, and in the third line nursery class, we also have to find out another 1616. So put a finger in the third line. This is 1616. No. Oops, it's in the second number. Wow, it's so simple nursery class. So we will join this 1616 with this 1616 like this. Okay nursery class? Like this. Okay nursery class, now join these two 1616 and then come to me. Okay nursery class? Now come to the third number. Which is the third number? Yes, this is 2020, my favorite number nursery. This is 2020 and we have to find out in this line the 2020. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. Where is the 2020 nursery class? This is 2020. No. Oops, it's on the first number. Oh my God. Then why we start from here? See, this is 2020 and this is 2020 nursery class. So join these two numbers. Oh my God. Join this nursery class like this. Okay, and then come to me. See nursery class, your teacher has joined this 2020 with this 2020. And in the third line, we also have to find out another 2020. Okay. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. Yes, here it is. This is 2020. Okay, nursery class. Now join this 2020 with this 2020. Okay, nursery. Quickly join it. Now, nursery class, your teacher has joined this 2020 with this 2020. Okay, nursery class. Now let's find out the another number. The another number is 1313, which is the next number 1313. So we have to find out in this line 1313. This is 1313. No. This is 1313. No. This is 1313. No. This is 1313. No. Oops. In the last number, here it is. So we will join this 1313 with this 1313. Okay, nursery class, quickly join it and then come to me. Okay, nursery class, now find out another 1313 in the third line. Okay, nursery. This is 1313. No. This is 1313. No, no. This is 1313. Oh my God. So join this 1313 with this 1313. Got it, nursery class? Quickly do it like this. Okay, nursery? Do it and come to me. See nursery class, your teacher has joined 1 3 13 with 1 3 13. Okay, now the last number, and the last number is 2 to 22. Which is the last number, nursery class? 2 to 22. We have to find out the 2 to 22 in this line. This is 2 to 22. No, no, no. This is 2 to 22. Oh my god. So nursery class, kindly join this. Join this 2 to 22 with this 2 to 22. Challenge 2 to. See, your teacher has joined 2 to 22 with 2 to 22. It's funny to say to 2 to 22 nursery. Okay, now find another 2 to 22 in this line. Oops, it is on the first number. It's simple. So nursery class, join this with this 2 to 22 quickly. So nursery class, we have done the matching nursery class. I again want to say, don't do extra pages. I'm not going to check the extra pages nursery class. Now it's the turn to join the numbers. Come to the downside. Oh my god, you know, it's a very good activity nursery class. I always love to do this activity. Now nursery class, inshallah, today we will finish our spellings nursery class 9 and 10. Okay. So nursery class, we have to join these spellings. Okay, now we learn the spellings of the numbers, so we can join with 1 with the 2, 2 with the 3, 3 with the 4. This is ONE1, then this is TWO2, then THREE3, then FOUR4, then FIVE5. Okay, let's join and then do. Again nursery class, kindly use scale to make a good line and make a good star. Okay, oops, I already have told you what we are going to make. Okay, draw join 1 with the 2. Okay nursery class, quickly do it and then come to me. Okay nursery class, see, I have joined dot with a dot. Okay, if we make a straight line, it will make our beautiful star. Okay nursery class, now join 2 with 3. Okay, like this. Okay, do it. See nursery class, I have joined 2 with 3. Now nursery class, join 3 with 4. Okay nursery class, mama will not help you. I think you are big enough that you can draw the small line. Okay nursery, join 3 with 4. Now nursery class, join 4 with 5 quickly. See nursery class, I have joined 4 with 5, FIVE5. Now you have to join 5 with SIX6. This is SIX6. Join 5 with 6 quickly. Now nursery class, join 6 with 7. SEVEN7. SEVEN7. Join these two lines nursery. Now nursery class, join 7 with 8. EIGHT8. EIGHT8. Join 7 with 8 quickly. Now nursery class, join 8 with 9. NINE9. Again NINE9. Join it. Now nursery class, join 9 with 10. TEN10. Join 9 with 10 quickly. Now nursery class, we have done the spellings up to 10 nursery class, so our spelling is finished. Now only join 10 with 1. Okay, because we start our spelling with 1. Join this. Okay nursery class, see how beautiful star, our neat and clean star is done. Now nursery class, you can do a beautiful color inside the star. Okay, if you want to do, you can make a beautiful star and you can do color. You can do one color in the star, or you can do different color in its dimensions. Okay nursery class, now come to the copywork side quickly. Ji nursery class, assalamu alaikum once again. The teacher Faiza is here once again with you with the copywork nursery class. First of all, write the date on the top of the page. What is day today nursery class? Today is 8th-1-2121. And write down here class work. Okay nursery class, as you know that we always revise our spelling, let's revise the spellings. G nursery class, what is the spelling of 0? Focus on the words, nursery class, and do revise with me. Oops, teacher again write spellings and number, did not write the number, write 0 and then ZERO 0, ZERO 0, 1, ONE 1, 2, TWO 2, TWO 2, 3, THR 3, then 4. What is the spelling of 4, nursery class? FOUR 4, FOUR 4, then 5, FIVE 5, FIVE 5, then 6, SIX 6, SIX 6, then 7, SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7, then 8, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8. Now the spelling of the day, nursery class. Today is the turn of the number 9. What is the spelling of 9, nursery class? It's very simple. Capital N INE 9. See how simple it is. 2 times N, NINE 9, NINE 9, NINE 9, and then 1 0 10. Today we will do 2 spellings, nursery class, because today is the easy spellings. Okay, what is the spelling of 10? TEN 10, TEN 10, TEN 10, TEN 10. Okay, nursery class. Now let's draw and do once more. G, nursery class. Now tell me, what is the spelling of 9? NINE 9, NINE 9. So how many apples we will draw, nursery class? We will draw 9 apples, nursery. I have taught you how to draw the apples, nursery class. Draw 5, then make another curve and then make leaf. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will draw here one more. Okay. How many apples we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now draw 4 apples. Okay, nursery. So count how many apples we have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always put a finger and always count slowly. We draw 9 apple. And what is the spelling of 9? NINE 9. NINE 9. Got it, nursery class? Now turn to the next spelling. 1 0 10. 1 0 10. I think you learn in English book also, in the GABA book. T and 10. T and 10. So what is the spelling of 10? T E N 10. T E N 10. T E N 10. T E N 10. So what is so how many apples we will draw? We will draw 10 apples, nursery class. Okay, nursery. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Teacher have more space, that is why teacher is drawing a big apples. 5 apples. Can you see, nursery class? How many apples I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will again draw 5 more apples, nursery class. 5 and 5 makes 10. 10. 10. Ten. 10. Okay, nursery class? So, nursery class, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. And what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. Now, nursery class, ready to do the work on the copy, nursery class? As you know that the teacher already have write the date on the copy. So write down here 9 equal to N-I-N-E 9. Okay, nursery class? Now, nursery class, write down one more time 9. Put the sign of equal to. Can you see, nursery? Now I think it's better to see. Write down one more time capital N. I think it's hard to see. What happened, nursery? Okay, nursery class, N-I-N-E 9. Now again leave one block and write down here N-I-N-E 9. Okay, and now fill this full line, nursery class. See, nursery class, your teacher have done the full line of N-I-N-E 9. And now I will draw 9 apples in front of the 9. Okay, nursery class, draw 9 apples, nursery. One apple, 2 apples. You can draw anything that you want to that you like to draw. Okay, nursery class, I like apples, so I like to draw apples. You can draw oranges, stars, bat, fish even. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, and then 9 apples. Okay, nursery class, your teacher have beautifully done the apples. You have to color in these apples. Okay, nursery class. Now again, what you have to do today, we learn 2 words, so that's why we will write here 1 0 10. Okay, nursery class. Okay, nursery class, write down 10, put the sign of equal to, and then write the spelling of, oops, unable to see, me also. So write down capital T-E and 10. Okay, nursery class. So leave one block and write down one more time 1 0 10. Put the sign of equal to, then write down T-E 10. Again 10, put the sign of equal to, then write down TEN 10. 10, put the sign of equal to, and then write down TEN 10, and then fill the full page, nursery class. Okay. See, nursery class, your teacher have write down here 9 and draw 9 apples in front of the 9. Now I have write down 10 and kindly draw 10 apples in front of the 10. Okay, nursery class, I again want what I say. Okay, I want to again repeat that you can draw anything that you want to draw. Okay. By the way, I like grapes, I like mango, I like all the fruits, but I like to draw apples. Okay, don't not like to eat 1 2 3 4 5, then 6, okay, then 7, oops, then 8, then 9, okay, and then 10. Okay, now I have drawn 10 apples in front of the 10. Okay, nursery class, this is your classwork, nursery class, and I have told you that in classwork you have to do 1 page and in homework you have to do 2 pages. Classwork 1, homework 2. I think now you know better than your teacher. Write down date here, nursery class. Homework. Write down 9. Capital NINE, 9. Then here 10 equal to TEN, 10. Draw here 9 apples in front of the 9 and draw here 10 apples in front of the 10. Okay, nursery class. And on the next page you have to write the spellings. You have to write down the spelling from 0 to 50, nursery class. Now, nursery class, kindly send me the recording of your spelling from 0 to 10. Okay, I will give you the marks in nursery if you send me the spellings, otherwise not, nursery class. And all the nursery should send me the work. If you will not send me the work, I will not give you the marks. Okay. Okay, nursery class, until, take lots of good care. Allah Hafiz. Keep warm, keep blessed, stay safe in home, nursery class. Okay, bye bye.